Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this series, we are creating a WordPress e-commerce website from scratch. Till now, we have set up our hosting account and installed WordPress on our website. We have also installed the SSL certificate on our website. Now for the next step, I'm going to show you how you can set up your professional email address with the domain name of your choice on your GoDaddy account. It's a really simple process, so let's get started. So open up your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. If you don't see the link, either click here or click here and click on Manage My Products. Once you do, you will land on this page. Now after you've purchased a professional email account, it shows up in this section. So click on the drop down and here across the new account available, click on Setup. Now on this page, select the domain name that you want to use and hit continue. Here, provide the email address that you want. You can use something like support or sales or something like care. Provide the first name and last name of your business that your customers are familiar with. Select this option and create a strong password. Here, provide an email address to receive the account information. Hit create. Now this hardly takes a minute, so let's wait for it. Once you see this box, click on sign in to email. Here, provide the password that you just created. Click sign in. And now we are logged into our mailbox. You can customize it a bit as you like. Now the next time that you want to log in into your mailbox, simply go to your hosting account on GoDaddy, scroll down, and here you will see the email address connected to your account. And just hit sign in. And just like that, you can access your mailbox again. And that was it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and leave your questions down below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.